Discover new worlds through words. Kotoba Camp.
Appeal.
Appeal.
To make an earnest request. To be attractive or interesting.
请求、上诉、吸引力、感染力、呼吁、恳求。
The university's innovative research programs and diverse academic offerings appeal to students from around the world. The historical architecture and cultural significance of ancient monuments continue to appeal to modern archaeologists.
Environmental conservation groups made an appeal to protect endangered species in tropical rainforests.
The universal appeal of mathematical principles transcends cultural and linguistic boundaries.
The interdisciplinary approach of cognitive science holds great appeal for researchers from various fields.
Appealing.
Appealing.
The appealing aspects of quantum physics lie in its counterintuitive nature. Appealingly.
Appealingly. The theory was appealingly simple yet profound in its implications.
Attract, entice, captivate, allure.
吸引、诱使、迷住、诱惑。
Repel, repulse, deter, discourage.
排斥、击退、制止、劝阻。
Appetite.
Appetite.
A natural desire to satisfy a bodily need, particularly for food. A strong desire or enthusiasm.
食欲、胃口、欲望、爱好、兴趣。
Hormonal fluctuations in the hypothalamus significantly influence appetite regulation and energy homeostasis. Neural signals from the gastrointestinal tract modulate appetite through complex biochemical pathways.
Environmental factors can substantially alter appetite patterns and metabolic responses.
Peptide hormones play crucial roles in appetite suppression and satiety signaling.
Circadian rhythms demonstrate significant influence over appetite regulation and feeding behaviors.
Appetitive.
Appetitive.
Appetitive behaviors are fundamental to survival across species. Appetizing.
Appetizing. The appetizing aroma triggered increased gastric secretion in test subjects. Craving, desire, hunger, yearning.
渴望、欲望、饥饿、向往。
Aversion, repulsion, distaste, indifference.
厌恶、排斥、反感、冷漠。
Apply.
Apply.
To put something into practice or use. To make a formal request.
应用、运用、申请、请求。
Researchers must systematically apply appropriate methodologies to ensure the validity of their findings. The theoretical framework can be effectively applied to analyze complex social phenomena.
Scientists applied advanced statistical techniques to interpret the experimental data.
Implementation strategies must be carefully applied to integrate evidence-based practices.
The methodology can be applied across various disciplines to yield comparable results.
Applicable.
Applicable.
The findings are directly applicable to environmental conservation efforts. Application.
Application. The application of theoretical concepts requires careful consideration of context.
Implement, utilize, employ, administer.
实施、利用、采用、执行。
Reject, withdraw, remove, withhold.
拒绝、撤回、移除、保留。
Appointment.
Appointment.
an arrangement to meet someone at a particular time and place, an official position or job.
约会、预约、任命、职位。
The research participants were asked to schedule their laboratory appointments at least 2 weeks in advance. Marine biologists made regular appointments to observe the migratory patterns of whales.
The department chair made strategic appointments to enhance academic excellence.
The anthropologist's field research appointments with indigenous communities required careful cultural consideration.
The tenure track appointment comes with significant research responsibilities.
Appointed.
Appointed.
The newly appointed quantum physics researcher will lead the particle acceleration project. Appointee.
Appointee. Each appointee to the linguistics research team brought unique expertise in different language families. Schedule, arrange, book, reserve.
安排、预定、预约、保留。
Cancel, postpone, reschedule, decline.
取消、推迟、重新安排、拒绝。
Appreciate.
Appreciate.
To recognize the value or significance of something. To understand deeply. To increase in value over time.
欣赏、感激、理解。宗旨。
Molecular biologists have come to appreciate the complex role of RNA cellular regulation. Quantum physicists increasingly appreciate the fundamental role of entanglement in quantum mechanics.
Archaeologists have come to appreciate the significance of ceramic fragments in dating ancient settlements.
Conservationists increasingly appreciate the role of indigenous knowledge in ecosystem management.
Sociologists deeply appreciate how cultural norms influence dating practices across different societies.
Appreciative.
Appreciative.
The research community was appreciative of the breakthrough in stem cell therapy. Appreciation.
Appreciation. An appreciation of statistical methods is essential for conducting reliable research.
Value, recognize, understand, acknowledge.
重视、认识、理解、承认。
Ignore, disregard, overlook, undervalue.
忽视、漠视、忽略、低估。
Approach.
Approach.
To move closer to something, to deal with or handle something. A way of dealing with something. A method or technique.
接近、处理、方法、途径。
Geneticists developed a novel approach to studying DNA methylation patterns in cancer cells. The experimental approach yielded unexpected insights into cellular mechanisms.
Scientists must approach ethical considerations with utmost seriousness in genetic research.
The interdisciplinary approach combines perspectives from multiple academic fields.
This systematic approach to data collection ensures consistency and reliability.
Approachable.
Approachable.
The complex theoretical framework became more approachable through practical examples. Approaching.
Approaching. The approaching deadline for the quantum physics experiment required careful time management.
Method, strategy, technique, methodology.
方法、策略、技术、方法论。
Avoid, withdraw, retreat, distance.
避免、撤退、后退、疏远。
Applicant.
Applicant.
A person who formally requests something, especially a job. Admission to an institution or a grant.
申请人、求职者、候选人。
The fellowship program received numerous qualified applicants from leading research institutions worldwide. Doctoral program applicants must demonstrate advanced research capabilities and academic excellence.
Graduate school applicants are evaluated based on their academic achievements and research potential.
The selection committee carefully reviews each applicant's statement of purpose and research proposal.
Successful applicants typically present a compelling combination of theoretical knowledge and practical experience.
Application.
Application.
The application of advanced statistical methods enhance the validity of the research findings. Applicable.
Applicable. These research findings are applicable to a wide range of environmental conditions.
Candidate, petitioner, aspirant, contender.
候选人、请愿者、有抱负者、竞争者。
Incumbent, holder, occupant, appointee.
在职者、持有人、占用者、受任命者。
Application.
Application.
The act of putting something to use, a formal request. Practical use or relevance.
应用、申请、实际运用。
The practical application of quantum mechanics principles has revolutionized modern computing technology. The application of risk assessment models has transformed modern investment strategies.
The application of genetic engineering techniques has significantly improved crop yields.
Innovative applications of artificial intelligence are transforming medical diagnosis procedures.
The application of molecular imaging techniques has enhanced early cancer detection rates.
Applicable.
Applicable.
These research findings are broadly applicable across multiple scientific disciplines. Applied.
Applied. Applied mathematics provides essential tools for solving real-world engineering challenges.
Implementation, utilization, employment, execution.
实施、利用、使用、执行。
Theory, concept, abstraction, speculation.
理论、概念、抽象、推测。
Appliance.
Appliance.
A device or piece of equipment designed to perform a specific task, particularly electrical or mechanical.
器具、设备、装置。
Sophisticated laboratory appliances enable researchers to conduct precise molecular measurements. Advanced spectroscopic appliances have revolutionized the analysis of chemical compounds.
The calibration of measuring appliances is crucial for maintaining experimental accuracy.
Modern analytical appliances can detect trace elements at parts per billion levels.
Digital imaging appliances revolutionize microscopic observation and cell biology.
Applied.
Applied.
The applied use of these specialized appliances requires extensive training. Applicable.
Applicable. The new safety protocols are applicable to all laboratory appliances. Device, instrument, equipment, apparatus.
设备、仪器、装备、器械。
Manual tool, primitive instrument, basic implement, simple tool.
手动工具、原始仪器、基本工具、简单工具。
Approve.
Approve.
To officially agree to or accept as satisfactory. To give formal permission.
批准、认可、赞成。
The Ethics Committee must approve all human subject research protocols before studies can commence. The Regulatory Commission approved the merger of two major investment banks after careful review.
International regulatory bodies approved the implementation of stricter environmental standards.
Environmental agencies approve sustainable development initiatives based on scientific evidence.
The scientific community widely approved the innovative methodology used in the study.
Approval.
Approval.
The research grant received immediate approval due to its potential impact on public health. Approving.
Approving. The peer review committee gave approving feedback on the experimental design. Endorse, sanction, authorize, ratify.
认可、批准、授权、批准。
Reject, disapprove, veto, deny.
拒绝、不赞成、否决、否认。
Well done. Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
The limits of my language mean the limits of my world.